This mistake is costing you thousands. While everyone is obsessing over which AI tool is best, they are completely missing what actually matters in 2026. I'm talking about a fundamental shift that is happening right now, and 99% of people do not even know it exists. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what it is and how to get ahead of it. Here is the first mistake. They treat AI like a search engine. One question in, one answer out, done. This single habit causes most poor AI outputs. Modern AI tools like ChatGPT and Claude are not designed for quick lookups. They are designed for conversation. When you ask once and leave, you are using maybe 10% of what AI can actually do. But even if you fix that mistake, there is something much bigger that 99% of people are completely blind to. It is about understanding what AI actually became in 2026. 2026 is the year of AI agents, not chatbots, not assistants. Agents, these are AI systems that do not just answer questions, they take action, they plan, they execute, they run entire workflows while you sleep. Or 40% of enterprise applications will include AI agents by the end of 2026, up from less than 5% right now. Most people do not even know what an AI agent is, let alone how to build one. The gap between people who understand AI and people who just use AI is getting wider every single day, and that gap, it is the difference between struggling with AI and actually mastering it. It's January again, and by now you have started making resolutions to make the new year better for you. But the smartest people are already on the road to master the one skill that matters most in 2026: AI. From just a simple text model in 2019, AI has evolved to detecting diseases, automating work, and even running tasks in your sleep by 2025. Looking at these advancements, 2026 is when AI is going to be at its peak and the last chance for you to get on the AI ship before it sails. Why not reclaim your past 6 years of loss in just 2 days? Because I want to introduce you to Outskill, the first ever AI-focused educational platform to accelerate AI learning for people like you and me. They are hosting the 2-day AI Mastermind training. Live this Saturday and Sunday, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. EST on both days. And right now is the perfect moment to join because you can get in absolutely free as part of their New Year Upskilling Fest. This 16 hours AI training has already built 10 million plus AI first professionals worldwide and is rated 4.9 out of 5 on Trustpilot. People from marketing, finance, operations, product, and engineering join this just because this is something which is not specific to any industry, but is now needed across every one of them. This is where you learn how to build AI agents that plan, write, execute, and report for you, automate workflows that run even while you sleep, connect tools like Sheets, Notion, CRMs, and email to create profitable systems, use AI to save hours every week and get an unfair advantage at work. To kickstart your year, you also get premium lifetime bonuses like the AI Prompt Bible, the AI Profit Roadmap, your personalized AI Toolkit Builder, only if you attend both days. And here's the most interesting part. When you sign up, you'll get access to the 2026 AI Survival Hackbook, a comprehensive compilation of the upcoming AI shifts in 2026 and the practical steps you can take to be prepared. Seats are limited. Use the link in the description to join Dot, or simply pause the video and scan the QR code on your screen to join instantly. Now here is the third mistake most people make. They copy prompts from the internet, but never learn why those prompts actually work. It is like copying someone else's gym routine without understanding muscle groups. You will see some results, but you will never truly optimize. The people making real money with AI in 2026, they understand the fundamentals. They know how to build systems, not just use them. So let me recap. Stop treating AI like a search engine. Start understanding AI agents and learn the fundamentals, not just the hacks. But here's the thing. Even if you avoid all these mistakes, there is one more factor that determines whether you will actually succeed with AI in 2026. And I break down exactly what that is in this video right here. Click it now, because this might be the most important AI video you watch this year.